Hi everyone, my name is Bharti Lad and this is a testimony for our healing clinic of Kandivli Center. Um, Post I was detected as COVID positive. Before that my daughter had fever and because I cannot go into the kitchen, my worry was how can I, go to the kitchen, make something. So I approached Shilpi, and after knowing my city value, she said to start my healings immediately. And for Kushi, they checked and found that it was just like in viral. So still I went for the viral healing for 5 days. And believe me, that was a very mental relief, because as a mother, you want your child to be okay. And when that thing took care of it, I was okay. Regarding my healings, I'm telling you, I'm so happy that I chose the option of going for healing clinic. There were two times when one thing, I was feeling a bit heavy when I was breathing. I told to my healer Usha ji, and उन्होंने किया, and I was perfectly fine after some time. Even yesterday also, I had little weakness on my lower body, and I was feeling a bit feverish. So I told Usha ji, and within 10 minutes I was okay, able to sleep. And today morning, जो मुझे feel हो रहा था, those things, they were not there. Very little weakness, but after having food and everything, it went away. So I'm extremely happy, and I am so proud to be associated with this Pranic family. And thank you so much, and I have deep gratitude for you all. And thank you Shilpi, thank you Sushma for doing. As soon as I approached her, she immediately spoke to Shilpi. The fatafat, the group was formed, and the healings, everything was planned, and everything got started off. So thank you Sushma, thank you Shilpi di, and Usha ji. I love you. Thank you so much. One thing I forgot to mention, that whatever price that they are taking, to conduct these healings, the COVID package, here you need to think that अभी ये पैसे देना is better than afterwards जो hospital and everything जो issue होगा यानी आगे का. It's better to spend this much amount of money on your health, where you can be healed from the comfort of your home. और क्या चाहिए. So don't think about the money part. Think about that what you are gaining by doing these healings in the comfort of your home, and without deterioration of your health and going for the hospitals and wo sab, the other pain. So think in those angle also. So that's what I think. I thought when I took this decision. This amount is better than the other associated stress and money involved. So don't think on those things, just go for it. Just take these healing sessions. If you're having if you have tested positive, or अगर आपको ऐसे कुछ भी symptoms लग रहे हैं, just approach and take this benefit. Bye.